boys and girls? Welcome back to a brand new video. We're pretty much on the way to the lake right now. We're going to ride the Wave Runner. We're not doing a little boat day today because it is the weekday. You know, it's not the weekend, so everyone has work. So it's just gonna be me solo out there riding the Wave Runner. I'll put you guys on my forehead so you guys can pretty much, you know, see what I'm doing, and then I'll have the Insta 360 also on there so you guys can see me, like full picture of me. All right, we made it to the lake. I'll put you guys on my forehead once we get onto the Wave Runner, and then we'll be on the water. All right, well, unfortunately the GoPro, or not the GoPro, the Insta 360 is dead. Well, not dead. It doesn't have space in the SD card apparently, and I can't turn it on to clear it because every time I turn it on it's like SD card full, powering off. I'm like, all right, so I don't know how to, I guess I'll have to put it on my computer or whatever, but it's pretty much gonna be GoPro footage only, so hopefully you guys still enjoy it, and hopefully this shot is pretty good. But we're pretty much going over to the dam, which is that way, and we'll probably just rip it up over there, and I don't know, we might come back here, who knows. To get wet that fast. Great. All right, well, we made it to the dam. The wind noise is probably extremely bad, and I'm sorry about that. Most likely I'll probably put music over it just so it's somewhat watchable, but usually on this side of the lake it's pretty hectic, as you could probably see. There's a lot of wakes, whatever, waves being made by other boats. Like there's a some dude over there is wakeboarding, and then there's other jet skis over there doing tricks, and I think another boat over there is also doing, or about to do something. So yeah, usually this part of the lake is pretty much hectic. You come over here when you either want a tube or come on this and try to like hop waves. But I think we're probably gonna head over there and do some just random stuff. Hopefully we don't sink this thing. Cold. Oh, that water's so cold. Oh man, dude, going around in donuts and then just like turning it the opposite direction and just flooring it. Ah, dude, it always just sinks you under the water, and I have to trim all the way up too. It doesn't even matter though. no. Oh hell, dude, this boat's massive. Oh, I'm gonna. Okay, yeah. Swallow a little bit of water on that one. Ain't got it in my eye. Chase him down, track him down. Ear. Oh, now I can't hear on my left ear. That's awesome. Oh my God. Oh, my right hand. I'm already losing grip. God, it's like a forearm and a leg workout put in one. What have I created? Oh my God. We're actually gonna head back over to where I was and I'm gonna show you guys the spot over there a little bit more. All right, time for a little tour. I'm not gonna go completely into this cove, but this is I think it's called Party Cove. A lot of the boats come in here and blare their music. They tie up with 20 other boats making a big line, and yeah, you kind of just mess around in this cove. It's like the main cove that pretty much everyone goes to. There's some coves on the other side of the lake, but we're not going that far. But I'm going to show you guys a couple of other coves that are around to the right. They actually just recently built one, and that's actually where I got my nipple bitten, and I don't like that cove. I call that cove the nipple bite cove. Absolute hate it. All right, now we're in Nipple Bite Cove. I remember this spot, okay, this cove right here, right over there on the boat. I hopped in, I was just chilling, just floating, and we didn't throw any food in the water at all, and a nipple came up and a fish came up and bit my left nipple, literally right over there. I don't like this cove personally. I feel like there's too many fish, way too many fish. But this was built actually not too long ago, I believe. And a lot of houses are pretty much being built right here. And if you guys have been watching the channel for a while now, this is the area where I kind of bring my bike to do some like cinematic stuff like that. It's pretty much that circle right over there. This is that same area, just on the water. But yeah, that's pretty much the tour on this side. There's only 2 coves. I think they're actually building another one more down that way, but I don't know if it's gonna be accessible this year or not. All right, that is going to wrap up today's video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it. If you want to see more wave runner or just overall lake days, pretty much, so we have a boat, so we can do boat days, also wave runner days in one. We can tube, ski, well, I don't think we have skis. We can tube, wake surf, and wakeboard. So if any of those videos sound interesting to you, then leave it down in the comments and let me know how you guys enjoyed this video. But other than that, it's been your boy, and see you guys next video. Peace. You know I like